Good morning. I am happy and I am in a good mood today, you guys. It is sunny today. It is going to be, I think, 60 degrees. I'm in Michigan, y'all. It is cold most days. It's freezing here and we don't get a lot of sun. Not in the winter time. In the summer, spring, we usually do. But I'm excited. I got my car back. My car was down, y'all. I was going through it over here. So I'm excited. We're going to get out. I want to do, I don't know if I do. I have this book in here. I'm going to show y'all this book that I'm going to be doing I'm going to try a week of this. And it is just for menopausal women. So if you're a little bit older, you just start gaining weight through menopause and it is hard to fight it. So I'm going to try and eat how she say to eat. So I'm going grocery shopping. I'll probably do Trader Joe's and Whole Foods because I got to get some particular things. So I'll take you guys with me to the store. And what else? Yeah. So I'm going to get some makeup on. Y'all know, get some smell goods on. And then probably clean my house a little later. I don't know. But I know I want to be out the house. So come with me. Spend the day with me. Take a couple minutes. If you are new, welcome. If you have been here a while, then welcome back. So we're going to get out and enjoy the day today. So come on with me, you guys. All right. Okay, so I took my shower, got dressed, and y'all, I opened my window. Y'all don't even know how happy I am when it is sunny and summer. I love it. I'm going to show y'all in a minute because I got a little bit of acreages, you guys. And so I like to go outside. Oh, my closet is a mess. I need to clean up. Sorry. Let's point it this way. But anyways, I like to go outside. I like to garden, which hence is why I have to get out of Michigan. Like, we finally have a plan where we're going to stick with it, and we should be able to move for sure within the next 2 to 3 years for sure. I'm like, I can't take it anymore. I don't know. Is anybody else like that? Where it's like, okay, you gain weight, especially in the winter, or you just don't thrive in the winter? That's me. So, okay, let me show you guys. Let's pick out a scent. So because it is very nice here and I want to get a good scent that smells really good. So let's see. So I think I want to go with something. I think I'm going to do the Strawberry Dream. I love EOS, by the way. And then I need to pick a body mist. We want something happy. Actually, I'm going to do Killian. I don't need a princess. So I'm going to do this. Okay. And then I think for my body mist, I'm going to do the Strawberry Pound Cake. Yeah, let's do that because I really want to smell really good since it's such a happy day. Okay. Guys, can you see? It looks like it might be starting to bud. Where is it? Maybe. Well, y'all can't see it. Can't see it. But
I wonder how long I've got in the car for you. I wonder how long I've got in the car for you. I've never even seen your face. I've always been drawn to your words on the other side of the screen.
this is the book I was telling you about, the Galveston Diet. Really good book, but it's supposed to help with your hormonal symptoms, help you burn fat, and it's supposed to be like just overall help you, I guess, get the weight off and stuff. So really worth a try. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store, grab that, but first I gotta run grab some lunch for my husband because I forgot to pack his lunch. So I'm gonna grab some lunch for him and then go grab my daughter-in-law. She's gonna go shopping, her and baby, with me, and then we will see. But it's called the Galveston Diet. I'll let y'all know how that goes. But every winter always gain weight because I'm not outside. I don't do too much in the winter, and of course you're not moving, you're gonna gain weight. So I'm glad it's summer. I'm gonna get to moving, get outside more. Yeah, so I'm excited about that.
I remember the days when I couldn't write a song. You gave away my gift cause I was worshiping wrong. I was dimming my light, having so much fun and sin, just a little here and there, but that's how it all begins. You gave me wings when I was sinking low, turned my pain into a melody. Now I know every storm had a purpose, every road had a sign, that your love was the light I needed as my guide. When the world weighed heavy, you lightened the load. When I didn't know where to go, you paved the road. Every song I write, you set the tune, you restored me this gift. I'm here to glorify you. I'm thankful, oh yes, I'm thankful for the highs, the lows, watching your blessings unfold. You lifted me when I couldn't stand, help me heal my wounded hands. I'm thankful, oh yeah, I'm thankful. Every heart beats a praise, every step's a prayer. I'm sharing your light, knowing you're there. Oh God, I'm thankful, I'm so thankful. I used to chase the world, always moving fast, but you slowed me down, showed me I wouldn't last. In the silence I could hear you say, peace be still my son, let me lead the way. When the times got tough, you never left my side. When I lost my thoughts, my mind you would guide. Every scar, every test was part of your plan. You showed me my purpose, now my hands are your hands. I'm thankful, oh yes, I'm thankful for the highs, the lows, watching your blessings unfold. You lifted me when I couldn't stand, help me heal my wounded hands. I'm thankful, oh yeah, I'm thankful. Every heart beats a praise, every step's a prayer. I'm sharing your light, knowing you're there. Oh God, I'm thankful, I'm so thankful. For every broken piece you made whole, for every burning you lit up my soul.
All right, I'm back home. So did a little bit of a grocery. I'll show you guys real quick what I got. I went to the spice store. I got some Italian blend, some cocoa powder, and some hawthorn berries. That would be tea, and then some turmeric blend from turmeric tea, and that already have like the turmeric and the pepper, have everything in there. So I got that. Lettuce, avocados. I got some onions and baby carrots. I normally go to the meat market because it's much cheaper, but since I was at Whole Foods, I went ahead and grabbed some chicken. I got some chicken breast and chicken, and then I got these. I know the farm raised is not good. However, they do, I used to work for Whole Foods, and I do know they're from reasonably farmed, and they go out and check their farmers and all that. So I went ahead and bought that from there.
In the darkest night, when I lose my way, you are the light that guides me every day. When the world feels heavy and I'm on my knees, your love surrounds me, brings me to peace. You lift me up when I fall down. In your grace I am found, no fear can hold me